Welcome back to another episode from Crazy Gamer. Today I'm going to be guiding you through how to disconnect your Facebook account from Modern Combat 5 Blackout. To disconnect Modern Combat 5 from your Facebook, first of all, open up the game on your device and then tap on the drop down at the top right corner. From the expanded menu, click on the gear button and within settings, tap on the connect option. Inside Connect, if you have connected with Facebook, then you will see a disconnect from Facebook logo. Simply tap on that. And with just a simple tap, you will be able to remove Modern Combat 5 from your Facebook account. This step ensures that Modern Combat 5 no longer has access to your Facebook account by removing the link. You can link your game progress to another account for backup and synchronization from the provided options. So that's how you easily unlink Modern Combat 5 from your Facebook. If you found the video helpful, don't forget to like, share and subscribe. I'll see you in the next episode. Thank you for watching.